Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvir. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can download or install Vidmate Apk. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. So guys, let's get started. At first we have to check the description of this video. There will be a link. Click on this link and open it with any of your browser you have. Okay, I'm opening it. I have already copied to my phone, so I'm opening it directly. So here you can see, here you have to allow or deny, that's not mandatory. You have, after that you have to wait for 5 seconds. Then there you will see a skip ad button, yellow button here. Click on it, and here you have to wait for some seconds. There will be a pop-up, allow this, and wait here. It will bring you to this page. Okay, it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to click on this download button. Click on this download button. Wait for some time and you can see the download pop-up. Click OK. Yes, it started downloading. Okay, let's wait for some time. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. So I always just try to help you guys. I'm getting much views but getting low rate of subscribes, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, we'll wait for some time here. Wait here. Our next video will be how to download videos from Facebook. You can check it from our channel. Almost done guys. The speed depends on your internet connection. My internet connection is slow now, so it takes a long time. You can skip the video guys. It's almost done. You can skip guys. Almost done. Yes guys, here you can see it has downloaded and now I'm gonna install it. Installing. Yeah, that's done. Now let's open it. That's the Vidmate original. You can see Vidmate original. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new videos like this. Thanks for watching guys.